Beautiful. Reverse. Everything works. This is 2019 Ford F250 customer purchase on Android radio. This humongous Android radio. That's gonna replace this. First step is right above the radio. There is a little compartment here. It's a rubber mat. Remove that. It's a 2 7mm right there. We're gonna remove these two. Remove this pocket. It should be 2 7mm down here. The entire face comes out. So once you have it out, it says 2 7mm right here. I'm gonna remove these two right there.
I guess we got up.
Get it out. This entire skin comes out like that. This should come out. Let's disconnect this. Okay. Before we put this one in, we're gonna have to transfer this heater control over to new radio. To do that, you gotta remove these two screws out and then put this in here. They give you two different bezels. There are one with like a little switch panel. So if you have that, you gotta transfer over to this one. We have this, so we don't have to change out. So we're just gonna simply remove these two screws here and separate the heater control from the original one. We got two screws removed. It comes out, and we are removing the heater control from the original one. So a whole bunch of them. So hook number 10, I guess. Separated. I'm going to transfer this heater control over to new one. So we're going to separate the PC board. Be careful not to interrupt the gear. Cable, you simply lift up this right clip upward and it separates the cable. Transfer that over to here. Something like that. Excellent. So we do have to take the 4 7mm because the T-harness plugs into the back of the radio. So remove the 4 7mm, disconnect the radio, remove and disconnect all the harnesses. So we're gonna plug in all the T-harness to the factory side. Everything matches. So this is the backup camera integration from the top monitor. Normally we run microphone on the top by the side mirror, rear view mirror. This radio came with like 3 feet extension cable, so we're gonna decide to put microphone right there by the instrument cluster. So this one came with a couple extra plugs which we don't use. This is for another backup cam integration, I guess. We don't use that. We are using this instead because this came with a small plug. I'm gonna put GPS antenna right there under the dash. It's a perfect spot for it. There's also 4G antennas and Wi-Fi antennas. We're all gonna put it up there. Those are the Wi-Fi and 4G antenna.
What else?
Okay, so that's USB cable was plugged it in here. Unplug it, plug it into this.
And then
So the other end of it, that adapter plugs into the factory radio, not factory, the aftermarket radio. That's the blue one is for SD card or SIM card. So we are plugging all the harnesses. The heater control, main power, USB, all plugs in. Backup cam plugs into the brown one, which is labeled as CCD. These two RCA's not labeled. That comes from the main harness. So we're just gonna hook it up to the aux left and right. Let's see what it is. So we got all plugged in.
yeah, it works.
So we're gonna connect the Bluetooth first.
There we go. Revealing.
It's the first time it takes time. Right, so that works. Is there a microphone icon? Is there a video? See if it has some videos.
He says Netflix and shit.
You gotta connect the Wi-Fi hotspot.
Car settings.
Woo! The thing works too. That is a beautiful cam. It shows a trailer hitch.
En este momento está despejado y la temperatura es de 75 grados. Las temperaturas van a bajar de 76 a 60 grados.
Beautiful.
So we transfer over the hazard and the traction, and these plugs back into the factory. Should be a one dummy one to cover the door. So whatever they don't have.
Wait, can you?
Found out it's easier if you plug the plug on first, then snap in, because if you try to do this from the bottom up, there's no space on it. We would have to remove those locking clips from the original panel, put it onto the new one, because on the bottom side there's nothing to hold it. So you gotta transfer those clips from the original one back to the new one. You simply pry it off and put it on the same way. Okay. We are putting the panel back in. Two screws here. Put this panel on. Two screws there. Everything should be done. It looks beautiful. Reverse.